15th Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So this is my journey to the Coney Island train yard. The pseudonym R1 to 11. Not R1, R2 11. And yeah, this is gonna be a premiere.
18th Avenue.
Yeah, that's it.
This is the Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is Avenue I.
This is the stop. Get on that. Another F train getting off at Avenue X, which is like 6 stops away.
This is the Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is Day Parkway.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Jesus, these stops are like real close to each other. Oh, cemetery. Right. Mind you.
This is the Coney Island,
Cemetery.
Stillwell Avenue bound F local train.
Cemetery.
The next stop is Avenue N.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Dang. Oh, there's Oh no, I'm recording our journey to the Coney Island train yard. We get off at Avenue.
Oh, that's a cool football field.
Look at all those school buses. Get off.
This is Avenue
4
N.
stops left.
This is the Coney Island Stillwell Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is Avenue P.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Come and visit New York, baby. Come and visit New York. I'm walking here.
What did you say?
I'm walking here.
Walking here?
Yeah, I'm walking here.
There's some water.
Yeah, some water.
Look, there's some water, Mike.
Yeah, I want a water, mate. Train not in service.
Ever seen that before?
I seen it, like when we went to the train station, I seen it, but it just popped up. Testing out the,
Is that moving or are we moving?
we're moving.
Oh.
It was a B train.
Check that and the other dude.
Oh wait, what? The driver's asleep?
What?
Yeah, he was just like, oh, we're going so slow.
This is Avenue
What do
P.
you identify as? Open. Wait, why can't I curse in these videos?
Because now, if like, now you are. But look, it's a wait, that's the same train we seen in the station.
Really?
Yes.
This is the Coney Island Stillwell Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is Avenue U.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Avenue X.
That's the next one. That's where we get off.
No, Avenue U is the next stop. Avenue X is the stop after that.
This is Avenue U.
Okay, one more stop and then we get off.
This is the Coney Island Stillwell Avenue bound F local train. The next stop is Avenue X.
Okay, you guys. This is basically, see, this is the whole New York City subway, just in case if you don't live in New York. So yeah, and if you're like, where do you live at? I live at right there. So yeah. And you will go home, and then I will go home. Let's go. Wow.
You ever heard Japanese trains? They're so quiet.
Yeah, because they're designed to be like that way. Like,
No, like not bullet trains.
oh.
Normal trains.
Like, if I'm being honest, trains kind of fell off after like 2000. Because it's kind of like all you've seen, basically everywhere you went, all you've seen is kind of like diesel trains. Because it was like the dieselization era.
Japanese train stations are so clean.
Yeah, it's like I bet you these train stations would be clean, but it's only because like people would like, oh, we go through here. You go. Wait, yeah, now you go. Now I go. Like I bet you these would be clean, but it's like I bet you these train stations would be clean, but it's just like the homeless sleeps in them and then people just throw their trash on the ground. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the yard. The entrance to the yard. If you're going, like if you're driving, or if you work here. Coney Island Yard entrance. Huh? Oh, we have to walk like somewhere down here.
What is that?
Basically, if you're visiting, but like, I guess if you're visiting someone, you have to sign some form. But I don't know.
You want to sign?
I'm not sure because we're just kids.
Wait, what is it for? Just to look at trains?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think they should walk.
How are we gonna get there?
Yeah, we'll walk the other way.
Let's walk. Should we cross the street and walk on that side?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Come on.
They walk the way.
Walk in the middle thing. Okay, let's go. Okay, I want to know when does this barricade end? Hey, I'll just walk in front of me.
Huh?
Walk in front of me because I don't want anything happening to you. Okay, we're We're approaching. I can see. We can see the main building where they like fix the trains and stuff. Look at this house. God, this barricade is going on forever. Is this like a filming place? Do they film stuff in here?
That was from Area 51 too. Now what do we do?
Keep walking! Or you can stand on this thing and see. Yeah, I know. Oh. So, forgot that was there. Come on. We shall not give up. We made it this far in our journey. We shall not turn back.
I'll just walk the coney out.
Yeah.
Well, it's the project.
The project's the place where Matisse lives.
Really?
Yeah, but not in this one. The one by our school.
Matisse lives in a project.
I don't know. I'm just saying because any big black man lives in a project.
I didn't really know Marie's in a project, right?
Yeah, she lives right next to her school, but she's always late. Like, I don't understand that part.
I live really far from school, and I'm only sometimes late.
That's the part I don't understand. Well, that's the part I do understand, actually. Look at all these cars. 19 minutes of recording. Okay. I am never doing this again. Yeah, well, I am never doing this again. All the things we had to go through. Snap. Come on. Let's go. I think this is the train yard. And it has that. No. Don't. I think I see something down there. I think I see something down there. Okay. Yeah, it's a gate down there, but we can see through it. What? I know, but it's like a gate. And we can see through it. Come on! Come on! Yeah, it's the train yard! It's the train yard! All this effort! Oh! See? All this effort just to see these trains.
We'll walk a little more. See more.
Okay, I'm just gonna snap some pictures. Don't see the new trains though. Look,
It's the stripey train.
yeah, see? All these
Yeah,
trains.
those stripey trains are my favorite.
Yeah, they were, oh, snap. I don't think
They were what?
they took them out of service.
They did?
Yeah.
I think the A and C version is still.
Taylor! Taylor! Hurry up! Hey, let's see.
That walking was really fun.
Yeah. Taylor, move! Okay, so they're done. They're gone. Oh my god. This is amazing. No, I remember when I was younger, right? And we took the F train to Coney Island. I think we should have just stayed on the train because it was better like that. But I wanted to experience it in person. Look, and the train's right there. I think I just seen a train. But I'm not sure where it's at. Oh, it's all the way back there. Stand where I'm standing.
What's all the way back there?
The train. That one lonely train car. Oh look, it's the FR32. You know how I said the R32 is a train? Yeah, those are the stripy trains you were talking about.
Our 32s are the fucking best.
Oh no, I'm still recording.
Oh!
But it doesn't matter, I'm gonna just let it slide. Well, we made it here. Look, it's the garbage train. Close your eyes, come back. Like, come up here. It's a thin road. Oh, this, oh, snap, I didn't realize.
Notice how close we were to dying?
Huh?
You know how close we were to
I almost
dying?
got my face on there.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Same here. Bard. Oh, it's from up there. Oh, look, Coney Island. Over there. Shoo! We came all the way over here just to see some trains. And was it worth it?
What do you think?
I mean, it's worth it. We finally, after all that walking and talking and recording, get to see all those trains.
Sound said it was gonna be warm, but it was really fun.
Yeah.
How would they go back to their shack?
Snap. Like jump. Yeah, jump. Okay. Oh. Come on. Just do this. So then it's like it gets off the bottom of your shoe. Oh, we're just gonna come out here till that end right there, and then we're gonna go back.
Yeah, what are those things? Oh, is that a Long Island Railroad?
No, they have like the one that I showed you at Atlantic. That's their yard. Oh snap! Come on. Look at this. Look, it's like a line of trains, like right there. Like you see the red birds, the bluebirds. Yeah. Okay. You guys want to go back now? Because this is the end of it. Oh, look, train right there.
Yeah. Can I go to it?
Let's see. Don't want my hands getting dirty.
Are we allowed to come here?
I don't know, honestly. I do not know. What?
We didn't pass the fence.
Yeah. Well, this has been my journey.
You wanna go back?
Yeah, let's start going back.
We might get in trouble.
Okay, we should.
Yeah,
We're gonna walk to Coney Island, right?
yeah.